Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys, and hi to all my new friends out there. So here we are again, and this is day number 3 of the diet. And it's not bothering me too much because I had huge breakfasts. On 2 days, I had 2 double cheeseburgers made into lettuce wraps. And then today I had a huge egg and sausage scramble, and I think that big breakfast is really helping. So my Oscar de la Renta sunglasses didn't sell, and I had made up my mind, if someone doesn't buy these things, I'm keeping them, because when I saw my videos, I go, wow, those sunglasses look really, really nice, and I only paid $1, so why wouldn't I keep them? I needed clothes for my videos, so I bought all the clothes you see I bought them for $1 on Dollar Day, but all the thrift stores have half price. Just before Christmas, just before the 25th, I think it was the 24th, I went into Salvation Army and bought my son a big pile of used clothes that normally would have been $80 at a thrift store for $40, and he's been wearing them ever since. I bought this old Cassini watch for $1, and you know, the jewelry wasn't much more than $1. So by carefully shopping, you can really get some nice stuff. Not always. I'm thinking I'm seeing a pattern at thrift stores. They sell cheaper at the end of the month. You know, that's when all their coupons and stuff come out. And they've made a special point not to give me any since I bought all the stuff. So I haven't bought any stuff, but my son has asked me to stay out of them. So guess who got herself some new sunglasses? I really like these. What I'll do is I'll wear them as long as I want, and then I'll sell them. Okay, so it works for me if one meal is a salad meal and the other meal is not. And so one of the things, the meals, like one of my diet meals that I really like is bacon and boiled eggs. When I'm not on a diet, I try to control my consumption of eggs because I really like eggs. And then if I need to go on a diet, I have, you know, eggs. So, okay. Yesterday, I was running out of salad mix, and I found a salad mix 1/2 price at 99¢ only, and it expired the next day. And when I was thinking about it, usually the salad expires towards the end of the month. And this, I'll show you, this salad dressing, if you get this is called chopped broccoli crunch. And these broccoli and cabbage type lettuces last a lot better. So let me show you what it looks like. It's called crunch because it comes with some bacon and see the broccoli? So I got that for 50 cents. I try to go easy on the lettuce so that I don't get too sick and tired. So I got this for 50 cents. So if you start doing the markdown shopping on your vegetables, it's really going to help. I bought the bacon at Grocery Outlet, marked down half price. And then I buy this cheese, and I stockpile it in my freezer. So one of the followers, Henzo, said to buy 60 eggs at the beginning of the month, and that gives you 2 eggs a day. And so if you have eggs and bacon and lunch meat, that's really going to help you if you start running out of food. So let's see, what did I do? I cut up a few tomatoes. This could be a BLT. It doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be a salad. I'm just eating salad because, you know, I'm on a diet. What I'm doing is I'm on this diet for about 3 months. I mean, until I lose 10 pounds, then I will ditch the diet. I just want to take off 10 pounds and, you know, then half of the weight will pretty much be gone. But you wouldn't want to crash off too much weight. You know, go on a crash diet for long, you might get some dietary deficiencies. At least I wouldn't want to do it. I don't think it's a good idea. Okay, so now, if you notice, I fried quite a bit of bacon, 3 pieces, because I want enough bacon for 2 meals. But what I usually do is I eat the whole thing, and then, you know, I'm not hungry, just like my big giant breakfast. And I'm used to 2 meals a day. And, you know, I think I bought this bacon at Grocery Outlet, and you're going to save a lot of money when you start getting your meat marked down and your cheese, you know, either marked down or at Dollar Tree. And then I have 2 boiled eggs. So what I have is I have plenty of protein in this salad. So once you stockpile your protein, then the only thing that remains is you need to get some vegetables. So you find out, and I learned this on one of the chef channels. You wanna try to store your vegetables airtight. You know, carefully wrap them. You know, I was persisting quite a while on those chef videos before I found some that really clicked. And now they really are, and or it could have been just the accumulation of videos watched. I mean, I watched a lot. I didn't watch 2 or 3, I watched many. And it wasn't a subject that I can say so I buy this at Dollar Tree. It wasn't a subject I can say I really enjoyed. That's probably why I made no effort to learn it. But it's very beneficial. What I'm thinking is I had no cooking learning pathways. I worked all the time, and when I got home, I just made some quick meal, you know, so I wouldn't starve. This is jalapeno jack cheese. It's kind of soft. I froze it. I think that affects the texture of the cheese a bit. But it tastes really good, and it was only $1, so, you know, figure Walmart has pretty good cheese. It's $2, but what if you only have $1 and you need cheese? Also, what if you only have $1 and you need milk? Well, you can usually get evaporated milk, or if you know where you can get the powdered milk, I don't know, they don't have 99-cent everywhere. I just want a little cheese. I count cheese as milk, and you can substitute cheese for milk. I mean, yeah, cheese for milk, it's a dairy. Or a little cheese for, this is actually a pretty good looking salad. I found on the diets what really helps if you wait until you are really hungry. And so this comes with a seed package, so I will use about half of it. I sent the bacon bits over for the dog for a little treat from him. This is a good looking salad, you guys. Take a look at this. I was telling one of the followers that I follow, if you have lettuce or some kind of lettuce mixture, and you have Rotel tomatoes, and you have Parmesan cheese, the kind that you use on pizza, that is actually a good salad. You can grind your Rotel tomatoes, or if you just have regular stewed tomatoes, if you grind them and you put a little pile in the middle, it's really, really going to, you know, be a tasty little salad. And so you can stockpile Rotel tomatoes or canned tomatoes, and you can stockpile Parmesan cheese. And I started making 3 cups of chamomile tea so I didn't have leftovers, because I usually drink 1 cup and then the other 2 cups fits. And then this came with some salad dressing. So let me give you a little, what I do is I put the salad dressing on in case I don't eat the whole thing. Here's my salad. Sometimes I use the pictures on Instagram or Twitter. I put some of the culinary videos on there. So I have lunch meat and cheese, eggs, and bacon in the stockpile. Okay, you guys, I wanted to mention today I was working on the feng shui. And the feng shui is at the point that, it's like you don't see, you're working, and you don't see any progress. But all of a sudden it turns and, you can really see some good progress. You just keep working on it. And I also wanted to mention about the credit card video. Didn't go over very well, but neither did the aliens. But here is what I know. There is some guy or some woman out there who needs to pay her credit card, his credit card, and buy groceries. By using the grocery money to pay the credit card, that gets your credit card paid and you have your grocery money. There is someone smart enough out there to see what I'm saying and to make use of it. And that goes for a lot of the things that I post. If it is not pertinent to your life, don't watch it. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.